Do you want to drive more business for your store? Great, because today we're talking about email marketing. In just a few minutes, you're going to learn why this is the best return on ad spend marketing that a retail store can do. Yet, far too few retail stores are actually doing email marketing on a regular basis, and it's a shame. Because in today's day and age, people live in their inbox and they are accepting of receiving promotional emails. They like it, in fact, from the stores and businesses that they like, especially local businesses and small businesses. So it's an opportunity to put your business right in front of customers who want those emails, who are interested in buying, and yet too few stores are actually doing it. We're going to break down why this matters so much, why it's so cost effective, and what you should be doing about it. First off, just think of email marketing like having a direct line to your customers, right? You send out an email, they read it, right? They open their email, they at least skim it. It's an easy and cost-effective way to stay in touch with them, build up their loyalty, and encourage them to visit your store or make a purchase. Sending weekly newsletters allows you to stay top of mind with your customers, share updates from your store, and promote sales, new products, or events that you have. So why is email marketing so important for local stores? Well, it keeps customers coming back. Regular emails remind people of your store and all the things that you offer. It encourages them to make repeat visits and not go to a big box store or online when you have exactly what they need. If they don't hear from you, as silly as it sounds, they just might not think of you when it comes time for them to make a purchase. Number two, you can promote your sales and events directly. So it's nice to put them on your website and your Google business profile. That's important, but why not send those things right to your best customers who are most likely to take advantage of them and come into your store? You can announce promotions, new products, or events directly to people who are already interested in your business. It's like giving them a personal invitation to come shop. Number three, it builds customer loyalty. So email newsletters help build a relationship because you're sharing valuable content like tips that are relevant to your local community, product recommendations that are right for the right time of year, or even things like birthday coupons are fun. Number four, it drives in-store traffic. So a well-timed email with a discount code or with a coupon or announcement about new arrivals can encourage people to visit your store that same week, especially if there's a time limit on how long the promotion or sale lasts. And last, I mentioned this, email marketing is one of the cheapest marketing tools available. And if done right, it can lead to more purchases, making the investment completely worthwhile. So you're probably wondering, okay, I set up my email, what do I actually include or send in there? So the first thing is special offers and discounts, of course. So include exclusive deals for your email subscribers. You could even use that to build your email list by saying, join our email list and you get exclusive deals. People love feeling like they're getting a special treatment, or just use it as a way to send out the coupons, the same ones that you're putting on your website. That way you just reach the people you want to reach directly, whether they visit your website or not that month. Number two, new products and promotions. So you get new products all the time. You go to a buying show and then you come back with some products you're really excited about. You want to get those products moving. You can highlight any new arrivals in your email newsletter, any seasonal products that you just brought into stock, or any limited time offers to create urgency on clearance items or other things you're trying to move out of the store. Number three, in-store events or announcements. If you're hosting a sale, a workshop, or a pop-up event, let your customers know in advance so they can plan to stop by. Number four, promote any of your rewards program. So if you have a loyalty or rewards program, you can use that to build up your rewards program and get people purchasing more. You can also promote things like a refer a friend bonus or anything else that you have going on in your store. Whatever incentive programs you're working on, it's a great way to promote it to the people most likely to take advantage. And last, any local updates or fun content. So if you have new blog articles or tips for your community, or things like holiday buying guide or spring cleanup buying guide, whatever fits your business, you can announce those things right through your email newsletter to the people who know you best and are going to care most about taking advantage of those offers or tips. Now, how do you maximize the return on investment? With New Media Retailer, it starts at just $150 a month for us to actually build and send your email newsletters for you. Your dedicated marketing specialist will build, approve these from you, and send them out. Click on the link below to talk with sales if you're interested in hiring us for the service of building and sending your email newsletter. It takes a huge load off your plate and makes sure that it actually gets done week over week, month over month. To maximize it, you've got to build and grow your email list. You got to encourage people to sign up for your emails when they visit your store or your website. You can even offer a small discount for subscribing. You should collect email addresses at the checkout counter, during events, or even through social media if you can. You also want to send valuable information. So make sure every email has something useful or exciting for your customers, whether it's a coupon, an event date, or just helpful tips that are relevant to them for that time of year. Number 3, keep the design simple and mobile friendly. People read emails on their phones. Keep it easy to read and make sure that any buttons or links are just easy to click. Next, you want to include a clear call to action. So every email should have a purpose, whether it's visit us this weekend for our event, claim your new coupons, or check out these tips that are going to help you get started on your spring lawn care. Make it clear whatever it is that you want the customer to do or the value they're getting from the email, make it clear right from the title and early content in the email blast. And then number 6, measure the results. So use one of your tools. We'll send you analytics to track the opens, the clicks, and any other actions related to the email so that you can understand what's working best for getting customers from their inbox into your store. Now, how often should you send emails? Weekly is perfect. Just make sure you have something interesting to say each week. But if that's overwhelming, consistency matters. Consistency matters most. So even every other week is fine, like every first and third week of the month. So the bottom line here, email marketing is like nurturing a relationship with your customers. When you do it consistently and thoughtfully, weekly newsletters will help you stay relevant in your customer's mind, increasing foot traffic and boosting sales. It's low cost, high return way to keep people engaged and coming back for more. If you like this video, stay tuned for the next one and hit that like and subscribe for more videos because we're talking about how independent retailers can attract more customers from their local market. We'll catch you in the next video.